Yeah, so you want to get the cold pressed neem oil, and sometimes you'll go to the garden center and it'll show neem oil. This has neem oil in it, and it doesn't have the cold press. It just has the residual.
The keyword.
Yeah, so it'll say like residual or
keyword cold press.
Something like that. If you go to the garden center, they might have cold press there. You just have to look or ask. But again, I got ours, the cold press, from the organic food store. I'm sure you can buy it online many places. You can buy most things online at this point. And then it's important that it is the cold press, and you can water it down with some soap. But if you do that, the batch will only last for about 24 hours. So you want to make sure you batch it out kind of properly.
Okay. And go ahead.
Neem oil is highly effective, and I just want to talk about it a little bit here.
Yes.
It's also important because it doesn't hurt the bad bugs, or the good bugs, I mean. So it doesn't hurt the pollinators. Basically,
it's selective.
It is selective. So you have to, whatever is eating your plants is what it's going to affect. Pollinators don't eat the plants, they pollinate them. And the other thing is that they are also, neem oil is very friendly to earthworms because it doesn't harm your soil. And it's because of how it comes from like a neem cake, which is not harmful for the soil. So you don't have to worry about that. And then another thing about neem oil is they are recognized to be non-toxic by the EPA. And so it does not harm birds, mammals, bees, and plants. And it's mostly for Japanese beetles, other beetle larvae, leafhopper, spider mites, thrips, and aphids. And then you do want to apply it at dusk and then apply every 7 to 10 days to kind of help it boost.